What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Right now I'm about to show you guys how to get stretch resolution in Fortnite. But one thing I have to tell you guys is that it's not OG stretch. It's not the good old stretch we all know and love. It's stretched and it still helps you, but it's definitely nowhere near last time. But like I said, it'll still help you. It'll still improve your aim, improve your builds, improve your edits. So let me just get to showing y'all. So what you want to do is you want to come down here, either click the Windows key on your keyboard, or click the little start button down here, or click the search. Then you want to type in %app data. Oops, spelled it wrong. Data %. Okay, click enter. It'll bring you to this. It'll take you to roaming, but what you want to click on is app data. Then you want to click on local. Then you want to click on. Then you want to get to this screen. You want to find Fortnite game. You want to double click on that, go to saved, then you want to find config, double click on that, then Windows client. Right here, don't click on this yet and go in there. What you want to do is go to right click on it, go to properties. You want to if you see read only down here, go to attributes right here. So general, down all the way at the bottom it says read only. Make sure that's unchecked, apply, and okay. Double click inside of it. Once you get to the screen, game user settings, you want to scroll down. I don't have too far. You want to find resolution size and last confirmed resolution. I'm already on stretch personally, so I can't really show you guys, and I can't really show you guys either because my Streamlabs only records 1920 by 1080. So if I go into Fortnite, it'll just be a tab and it won't be open. Like, you won't see stretched. But just like, if y'all, when y'all do this and you get stretched and you like it, even if you dislike it, as long as your screen gets stretched, make sure you comment down below and like this video and hit that subscribe button with noties on, just to prove that you got some stretched and that this worked. But like I was saying, you want to find this. I personally play on 1280 by 1080, but y'all can play on, like, later in the video I'm gonna show you guys in the last step more resolutions. But what you want to do is, whatever this is set on, change it to 1280 or whatever this is set on. So say it was set on 1920 by 1080. Like, that's my default. Like, that's what my monitor is meant to have. That's unstretched, like, at all. Like, it's not stretched on 1920 by 1080. If that says that, you want to delete it, and you want to click in whatever the resolution you want to play on. So I want to play on 1280. You do that down here too. Do the same down here. Then you want to go to File, Save, and then you want to exit out of it. Then you want to go back to game user settings, and right click on it, properties, go back to read only. Check it in, so whenever you load up Fortnite, it doesn't default go. It doesn't go to default and goes to 1920 by 1080. So click apply. Okay, exit out of it. Next step. This is the final and important step, and this is where I'm going to show you more resolutions. You want to. So I have a NVIDIA, so I don't know about the AMD or any other graphics cards, but for NVIDIA, you want to right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel. Once you get to this screen, you want to go to display, change resolution, then you want to come here, you want to click these. So right now I'm about to show you guys the resolutions that there are. 1920 by 1080 is default, so that's unstretched, but the rest are stretched. So 1656 by 1080, 1600 by 1080, 1440 by 1080, 1280 by 1080, 1080 by 1080, and 1024 by 768. So those are all the stretch resolutions right there. The best one, I say personally, is 1440 and 1280. Those are the two best ones. The rest, I don't really like them, but I mean, it's preference. So if you like them, you like them. If you don't, you don't. But for low-end PCs that like can't run really good settings like 1080, like if you can't run 1080 but you can run 768, this is the best one right here. 1024 by 768. That's the best one. I personally play on 1280 by 1080. So first step you gotta do is come down here to customize, click customize. Then you want to make sure that this is checked. The enable resolution is not exposed by the display. Make sure that's checked so you can actually use the displays. Create custom resolution, and don't change anything on this screen but this. So I personally play on 1280, so 1280. Then you want to click test. I'm already on 1280, like it already exists as a custom resolution. So yeah, so I can't really show you, but test it, like it'll take you to a black screen. It'll ask you if you like that setting. Just click yes, and it'll automatically get saved into your custom resolutions. It'll get saved into here, and then you want to click OK, and it'll be saved here. Do not double click on it, because if you double click on it, if Fortnite settings are, say you play on 1280 like me, if Fortnite settings, we already changed that to 1280 by 1080. If you come over here, double click on this and click apply, your screen will just be small and unstretched on Fortnite, because your screen is like, for double clicking on that, it'll fit your screen to the resolution that you're using on Fortnite. So do not double click, just keep it in your custom. Okay, so click cancel. Okay, get out of there, and boom, you have stretch resolution. Like I said at the beginning, or close to the beginning, I can't really show you guys because Streamlabs is set to 1920 by 1080, like that's what it's meant to record. So it won't record 1280 by 1080. It'll just record a tab, and it'll be unstretched in like a little box on the screen. So I can't really show you guys, but yeah, if it worked, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and turn on post notifications, and comment down below aimbot. Thank you guys so much for watching.